Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by proving legitimate ownership. Gather the original receipt, serial number, and any account recovery details. Once done, sign into Icloud. Com from a computer to check Find My and Activation Lock status. This confirms whether removal is possible through official channels. Make sure to back up any accessible data to avoid loss. Do not attempt third-party bypasses. Instead, prepare documentation and the device serial so Apple support can verify your claim efficiently, and proceed with safe, authorized steps. Next, focus on account recovery because this is how Apple restores access without risking the device. Try a password reset at iForget. Apple. Com and follow prompts for two-factor authentication or account recovery. This often re-enables Apple ID control and removes activation lock. If recovery fails, contact Apple support and provide the serial, IMEI, and proof of purchase. Explain the situation calmly. Apple will guide you through verification steps because official removal requires confirmation of ownership to protect prior owners and prevent. Finally, complete the process with Apple's instructions. Once they confirm ownership, they will remove activation lock or advise you how to sign out the Apple ID so you can reset the device. Then perform a factory reset through settings or recovery mode as directed, making the device ready for your account. If things go wrong, the key troubleshooting step is to recontact Apple with clearer proof, photos of the receipt showing serial number. Because legitimate support depends on verifiable documentation rather than circumvention tools.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.